So just yesterday I was scrolling YouTube and find a video of a guy who make a huge amount of money just on Chrome extension. In that very moment I'm just with words like life is short, why shouldn't I try it? Started to build my own extension. Nevertheless, in some moments it's a little bit AI, terrible, not that good with UI part, but I'm still love it what I make. So, today I want to show you what I'm successfully built in like 80 hours and just want to share my experience with you. So again, I'm just spending like 80 hours of work or like 2 workable weeks on this extension, and I mainly make it with AI to make it faster, and I want to share with you my experience. It's so cool, no? To start with, I'm selecting something simple and for my opinion that even I can build quickly and just simply. It was a Chrome new tab extension. I think you have seen many of them. For me, it was like a good idea because I'm familiar with web developing, so I thought that I can easily build one Chrome extension like it because it basically look like a common website, but like in new tab. So I was sure that I can make adaptive feeds for different screens, so it's look like nice basic functionality for it, and I'm was sure with technologies that I can use, and I just started it. I work on it like on a side project, so basically my primary goal was to create quickly MVP, just publish it to Chrome Store and see what even will happen because I don't have any experience with that, and it was interesting for me. And just to make sure I will really quickly build it, I'm just used quite a lot of different AIs just to simplify the process, and it's helped me a lot with just UI part, so it was like for user good looking and just usable even. I have posted it after like 40 hours to Chrome extension, and basically the first version of it looks like exactly like simple MVP, had a lot of bugs and was quite awful. And because I'm actually wanted to attract also few users for my MVP, doesn't matter, it's shitty, I'm also make quick banners that looks terrible, but at least a little bit represents the functionality that I had there. And honestly, I didn't have that much of attitude to create something fancy, and I'm really sorry for it, but it is how it is. And great, everything is published, everything at least works somehow, and what's the next step? Man, I don't know. And after some brainstorm in my head, I've just decided to make something like beta testing. And this beta testing I was needed because reason that if I didn't find any bugs, and it doesn't mean that the user won't find either. So it's better to do one. So because I'm a student and don't have that much money, I'm just asked my few friends from college to make beta test, try out my new extension that So I'm just asked my few friends to try out my new extension, probably use it for a couple of weeks and just give their honest opinion for what they see, how it works, is there any bugs, features that they would need to see, and like this, just to get some opinion and definitely improve this extension. And because I'm probably asked two correct friends, they find so much different bugs that I I didn't know even that they exist, and it's given me extra work that needed to be done before I publish like full version of this extension. I'm actually truly thankful for my friends that they find that many bugs. So thank you guys. I love it. And for me, it was like not that funny moment because visually nothing changed. There is no progress in my extension, but visually. But in the code, I have managed to change many things that just needed to be done and work correctly. So no progress, no visual progress. And also, I had some features that my friend suggested as cool to have, and I was like, why not? It sounds interesting. And for me, it might be like the end of the story because I'm built that I wanted, I'm just publish it to Chrome extension web store, And for me, it might be the end of my journey because I'm just built extension, I publish it, and everything works. And it might be like this, but one occasional. And it was like after some time I find out that actually I have connected Google Analytics to my project, and with Google Analytics I can see how many users downloaded my extension, how it worked out, uh, where are they from approximately. I'm not sure if it's correct, and this changed everything. It was not big success for me because when I actually opened it, there was like 5 people, 5 users for me, and basically if you will count it, it's like one friend, second friend, probably my workspace because I also use this extension, and some 2 dudes who actually believed in me and downloaded this extension. I was so happy. I can't even believe that someone was download just even find my extension and just used it. It was for me another level. It was first few people who believed in me. Probably I just took it too personal and I was so happy that users. I got some users that I can. So it was really nice to have few, and it's motivated me. And because I get some people, I'm just tell yourself that, hey Roman, you got some users. You should make it great because they use it. You should work on it. And with motivation like this, I'm continuing to develop my extension. And right now, I probably have like 13 people who have downloaded this extension, and I'm really happy with that. So actually, a few of my friends who used to use other extensions, they also switched to my extension. It was so cool, and it's not that much users because like 13 is like my family and relatives probably. But I'm really happy with that, and the stories continue. And with that small motivation, I right now continue to develop this extension, fix some bugs, add some features, and just make it cooler, I think. And for the end, just to sum up it took like me 2 months to build this extension. If it took it in hours that I spent on building actually it was like approximately 80 hours in Visual Studio Code because I have some extension. And in reality, it's probably like was 90 hours or 85, something like this, because I didn't spend that much time on graphic. And what I can suggest for you, if you don't have any skills in programming, it's probably the best way to learn something to build also Chrome new tab extension, because it's actually simple and you will learn some basic. But if you want to practice more or just to develop something that user might use, you definitely should not to go to the Chrome new tab extension because the market now overcrowded, and if you will even search for it, you'll get like 100 or thousands of results. So it's not the best way where you can make money, for example, or get famous. It's just like to learn how it works. Or again, if you have some cool idea, go to it and definitely make it. And also, if you want to check what I'm talking about, there actually will be a link in the down description. I'm not sure how to say it even correctly. And you can download it, try to use. I have there is like a mail for feedback, so I will be really grateful if you can download, use it for some time, and just send me some feedback. How you feel? Probably you will missing something, or how it affect your life. It will be also cool to read some stories about it. So, guys, actually, thank you for watching. I hope it was enjoyable for you, or like at least you get something from the video. And you can subscribe or give it a like, or have a nice day. And winter arc, log in.